So we're going to unbox the Säker. I hope I pronounced that right. Gravity dog steak. Comes in a kind of a nice box actually, with the instructions to join them on Facebook. I actually opted for that and it worked out great. That's the first time I've used the scan codes. All the instructions are on the side of the box. Now what I bought this for was I have a 150 pound Akita that can pick his dog kennel up and throw it around. And he's got himself injured a few times, nothing serious, but a couple of bloody noses. And this is your staking system. It's really good quality, with an auger system and a marking flag, which I thought was a really good idea since I do have someone that takes care of my lawn at home. Yeah, all you need to put it in, they say, is a screwdriver, but I did go with a breaker bar because the ground here is solid as a rock. You'll see in the next video. But I'm really hoping that this works out, and I'm hoping it works out really well. I've got a 25-foot lead for it, which is way more than I need. Unfortunately, because it's a 250 pound line, I couldn't get it in the 6 or 8 feet that I really wanted. But the next video will be, I'll do the install and see how that goes. So I've decided to put, since I'm at my camp, my Akita runs free here at camp, and my wife's is smart enough to move around some of the obstacles as well as get into his kennel while he's leashed. He runs off. My dog does not run off if we're all here. The ground here is solid as a rock. I have the breaker bar and the stake, so let's see what happens. And we've already hit a big rock. This is not going to be easy ground to go into. And I'll see if I can't get this somewhere where you can see, hopefully, what I'm doing. There you go. Alright, so I got it in the ground as far as I could step on it. It says to put your weight on it. This is horrible ground. Extremely horrible ground. But it is going in. Was going in. I think it's got enough traction now. It's actually moving.
It's got traction.
And another big rock.
There, Ricky Bobby.
This is actually a little more work than I thought it would be. And that's ground level.
Hurt me knees.
So here's the dog that should be on. As you can see, he's a big boy. A very big boy. Huh. And after Malachi's done from doing his duties, can I get you on camera? Huh?
Whoa.
And Malachi is roughly 115 pounds. That's a 250 pound line. And there's what's left of their dog kennel. Thinking it should work. All right, all right. I've got a run at Walmart, and that's what Solomon did to it in just a few months.